guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I am Ashley Chennel. I'm gonna be doing a plus size haul for you guys today, and it's from one of my favorite brands, Rebdolls. I've been ordering from Rebdolls forever. Like, you guys, if you go way back on my channel, you'll see like I've always gotten my clothes from them. I absolutely love this brand. They are so inclusive. They literally have every size. They go from a size small literally to a 5X, so they cater to every size woman, every body type. I just love them. Honestly, like, it's one of my favorite brands ever. So I have a fall haul for you guys. I also have some like nighttime pieces here. I got a couple of things because my life has sort of picked up a little bit, and since I'm single now, I be going out. So I wanted to get a couple dresses to go out in, and then I have just some fall style dresses here and dresses that I can wear on TV. If you guys do not know, I do a lot of segments on different talk shows like The Doctors, Dr. Oz, local segments. So I need a lot of TV or daytime TV appropriate pieces. So I try and stick to solid color clothing when ordering pieces like this, just everyday dresses that I could throw on and wear in one of my segments, no matter what TV show I'm on. So with that being said, let's get into this review. Okay, so on the side of the screen somewhere, I'm not sure where we're gonna put me, but I will show you guys what I look like full length in these outfits. So I'm gonna start with the fall color clothes because I'm obsessed. So this dress is a beauty. I'm obsessed with the color. So I did remove the tag, but I did hold on to it so you guys could actually find out the information for each dress. I will list it down below and link it. But if you're curious, this is the Rebdolls Kathy Skater mini dress in mustard. I will put all of the information for this down below so you can get it, but I'm absolutely in love with this. This is just a cute little mini dress. I love the detail on the like the little puffy sleeves. I'm obsessed with that. If you guys noticed, you'll see like on my page a lot, I wear a lot of puffy sleeve detailed style clothing. And this just looks really great on TV. So this is definitely something that I would wear on one of my little daytime talk show appearances. Just do like a nice little pump with it. It's super, super cute. And I also love the color. Like the color just, I feel like looks so good on my skin, and it's very, very fall. So the next dress is this actual like rust red dress. Now, the reason why I picked this is because one, it looks really good on TV. These skater style dresses are always really good and classy for a talk show appearance. And if you're just like gonna go to a brunch or dinner, this is really cute for fall as well. I feel like you can dress this up or down. I know that sounds a little funny because it's a skater dress, but you totally could do this with a nice fall booty, or some heels. If I was gonna wear it on TV, I would obviously do it with like a pump. But if I was going to wear this to dinner or brunch, I would definitely consider doing like a really cute fall boot. If you see the way this is on, this is the Rebdolls All to Myself skater mini dress in rust red. So if you guys want this, that's that. Oh, and then another detail, the material of this dress is like a sweatshirt material, which is interesting. I have never seen that before. I've seen like sweater dresses, but I really love how thick. I mean, this is legit sweatshirt material. Like, it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys are looking for something that's gonna keep you warm and thick, and this is really good because on TV sometimes, or on camera sometimes, these dresses can be a little transparent. So this is such a thick, well-made material. I feel like you're not gonna have that problem if you need to wear this on camera or take pictures or something like that. But, and it's just a good dress. It's really, really well made. So I do love this. The material of this is like that stretchy material. It's really pretty and soft. I love how comfy their clothes are. I'm really, really loving their looks this year. So this look is not necessarily a TV look because it's so low cut, but it's giving fall 100%. I love this whole like color block idea with one side being brown and one side being like nude or tan. It's just so pretty. This is the knitted two-tone midi dress. It's the color, it's in the color, it says nude, and this is a 1X. By the way, all of my pieces are a 1X. I am an extra large to a 1X in clothing. I have recently lost a good 15 pounds. I had gone up to a 2X because I gained a little bit of weight, but I've been working on losing weight. So I am back down to a 1X. I'm trying to get back down to just being a large. We will see, things take time, but in the meantime, I'm loving this. It is a little big in this area for me because I'm not a very hippie girl. So I try and get dresses that do accentuate my hips, but I don't have like super wide hips. So in this one, I love it. I do love how it fits my body, but I just wish I had bigger hips for it. It's like the perfect size. I just got to figure out a way to finesse this belly area, but I'll show you guys. You guys can see on the side of the screen how adorable this is on. So this next dress is actually one of my favorites. I'm really into this whole satin pajama look that everybody's rocking. I'm actually such a fan because it's comfortable, it's sexy, and it still gives you just like, I don't know, like you're still classy, but you're comfortable, if that makes sense. So I actually love this dress. I probably could have gotten it in an extra large, I feel like, but I got a 1X just because I wasn't sure how the fit was gonna be. But everything from Rebdolls is pretty true to size most of the time. So I feel like it fits perfectly. I just wish it was a little smaller, but I do really like it for me. Like I said, again, I don't have big hips, so for me, dresses like this, I would want this to feel a little more slinky, but I do love that it ties. This is the little belt. So the belt tying actually helped me a lot because it wasn't as boxy and wide. It actually looked really good once I tied it. So that's just one of my tips. If you're someone shaped like me and you're sort of an in-between size, dresses like these with these little waist accentuators like belts and stuff really help. This is the Business Classic collared button-down mini dress, and it's in brown, and it's first of all, can we talk about how pretty this brown is? This brown is beautiful. Like, I'm loving all of the dark, rich colors that are in for fall this year. I'm obsessed. Like, personally, I'm here for it. I hope it never goes away. I'm glad that it's back in. I feel like, I mean, we wore these colors last year for fall, but I feel like they just weren't as like prominent. I don't know. I feel like we're really like wearing the browns and the darker tones this year, which I'm all here for. Very 90s, but I'm loving it. Okay, so let's move on to this satin slip dress. Okay, first of all, is this not gorgeous? I mean, I feel like these are in everywhere. Like, everybody has a version of this, but I'm obsessed with this. First of all, one of the things I actually was really excited about with this dress is that it is lined in the breast area. So if you pull this out, I can't really pull it out, but in this area, there's like a little bit of lining, and I really like that. So it's not too thin. This would be really cute as a night dress. I wouldn't wear this as a nightgown, but this is definitely something to wear to dinner, something sexy, slinky, cute. This is the Rebdolls Love Jones satin slip dress, and I'm glad that these are back in. You guys, I'm showing my age here, but yeah, I grew up in the 90s. I am an 80s baby, okay? So I remember this stuff. Obviously, I wasn't wearing this stuff because I wasn't old enough, but my mom was, and I remember seeing these types of dresses on my mom, and it's just cool to grow up and see this stuff. As an adult, when you're a kid, you see this and you're like, oh, one day I want to wear that. And then when you become an adult, it's back in style. So now I can actually wear these cute little 90s style dresses. I love this. I think this is so pretty, and it just looks really good on. All right, so moving on to this little number here. Like I said, I got a lot of nighttime going out style dresses. This one is the Ruched long sleeve mini dress. So I absolutely love this. It's ruched on the sides here, and then it has a cutout in the middle. The reason why it's so stretched out is because I put it on, so I had to kind of like stretch it to get into it. But I do love that it fits my boobs up here. They fit into this perfectly. I didn't even have to do anything to them. Yeah, So this is just a really cute going out dress. If you're going to like a club or a lounge, I feel like this is a really cute dress to wear. Just, you know, pretty self-explanatory. I actually have something really similar to this from Rebdolls in a mauve color, except for it flares out, it doesn't fit the body, but it's from like a couple years ago, so I do love that. Next is this dress. I think I have the thing here for it. What is this? Okay, so I'm missing the tag to this. I don't know what happened to it, but this is another, I'll just link it down below, of course, but this dress ruches on the side. It's just a long sleeve black simple dress, but it's very sexy on, okay? It fits the body so nicely. And I just love a little bit of leg action. One of the things I love about my own body are my legs. And so anytime I can like show my legs off, I will. So this dress, I feel like just gives you all of that nice leg action, and you can adjust it here because it does tie. So you can decide how much leg you want to show. If you don't want to show a lot of thigh, you don't have to. I'm not sure what this is called, but I will put it on the screen so you guys can see it. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like on me right here. And so last but not least, we have the turtleneck puff sleeves bodycon midi dress in black. So these dresses are a staple for me. I actually have this dress in so many different colors. They're great for talk show appearances for me. So I have the colored ones for things like that, but this is just good for just to have a simple black going out fitted bodycon style dress. I love that. And I love the sleeve detail, that the sleeves are puffy, so it does give it a little bit of oomph. Instead of just being a simple black turtleneck dress, it does have something going on with it. And you could style this in so many ways. You could style it down, you could dress it up. Like, I just love a good simple black dress. It's always good to have a little black dress, which I have here, but I mean like just a simple everyday style black dress, especially the fact that it's turtleneck. So this is good for like winter, fall. Like this is just like a really good dress to have in general. So yeah, that is it, you guys. So that is going to conclude this haul. I want to say thank you to Rebdolls for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. I love all of my pieces. I'm gonna wear them all. I cannot wait. Make sure you guys check my Instagram to see these looks. I have pictures. I will make sure I post them when I actually wear the outfits and in general. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.